Okay, so we are back. A few ingredient family. This portion of the video, we are doing sausage gravy. We've already done the biscuits. We've already done the biscuits from scratch. And now we're doing the gravy. So I'm gonna go over some of the ingredients.
I'm so excited, Mama.
She's so excited. So what you need is a whole.
Oh my gosh, that hurts. You got burned.
What do you say? A whole roll, I guess, a whole roll of sausage of your liking. It doesn't matter. It's whatever you like. And then you want a fourth a cup of flour. Okay? And then you want 2 cups of milk. And that's pretty much the premise of it all.
Cannot see anything.
So we're gonna pause real quick. We'll be right back.
If I can't see.
Okay, so we are back. And let me put this camera down. So my kids have never eaten this before. I just been craving this.
Mom,
so I'm gonna do half of what it asked for, just in case, because they may not be interested in eating it.
She can only see me.
It's hot. That's hot. All right. So I'm just gonna do half of this. Hold on. I'm gonna put you in the camera. This may have been a bad idea to do a cooking channel with children, because this is what happens.
Oh, geez.
And she just hit the floor.
What happened?
We'll be right back.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we're back, and I'm just browning the sausage. You want to make sure you brown it all the way through, okay? It should not take long to do that. While we do this, I'm going to get this whole camera game in order. I do not know what happened to my... No, you cannot. It's raw. I don't want to
I don't like raw.
Yes, you don't like raw. So I don't know what happened to my camera phone stand. So we're just winging it today, and hopefully by next time we'll have it all the way together. But like I said, we're browning this. And the only other ingredients you're going to add is salt and pepper. So again, it does not take much. And those are just like spices, so they really don't count as quote-unquote ingredients. The real ingredient is the milk, the sausage, and the flour. Very simple stuff. You can, if you like a sausage gravy, why go out and purchase it when you can do it at home yourself? Okay, so while this is browning, I'm gonna go ahead and put my homemade biscuits that we just made in the oven.
Mom?
Yeah.
Can I please do the salt and you can do like the pepper? Because
watch out so I can put the biscuits in. Here are our biscuits. We're about to put it in the oven. Watch out. I just said we're putting the biscuits in the oven. And that's 10 to 12 minutes on the biscuits.
Oh, wait. I'm going to do that in a video. I'm going to mix it.
This portion, I don't want the girls helping with too much because the stove is hot. So this part I'm going to do myself. We're going to try to do recipes that are kid friendly and where they won't be injured. Like my daughter hit the floor. Oh my gosh. But you get the gist of this. So I'm going to finish this up, and then I'm going to come back when I get to pour in the flour. We'll be right back.
Wait.
Okay. So we are back again, and here's what it looks like fully cooked. You don't want any pink showing at all, okay? Also, yes, you see there's grease in there.
Mom, can I try?
Hold on one second.
Mom,
you can help me mix it. You can help me mix it. And there's grease in there. You don't want to strain the grease at all. You want to keep the grease in there, okay? So, like I said, we did the ingredients halfway. So instead of the full case of sausage and the complete 2 cups of milk and then the 4th cup of flour, we're doing half a case in the sausage. I'm doing 1/8 cup of flour and 1 cup of milk, okay? So I'm going to put this phone in. See us now while I add the flour, because that's going to be a little complicated. Okay, so here it is. And then you just slowly add.
Can I try to
Yep,
do that?
you can help me. Slowly. Okay, wait. 1 second. Let's stir that in. Wait 1 second. Okay, who wants to help me stir?
Me.
You next. You first, since you got it already. Okay, and we're gonna slowly stir that in. Let it coat all the pieces of the sausage. You're next, girl. You're next.
But all the flour is gone.
We're gonna add more. Do you hear that? Do you see that there's still flour in there?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Amina. Good job, girl. Okay, come on. And then my oldest daughter's gonna help pour in the remaining portion of the flour. We try to get all. Okay, and if you see the flour's on there, and you want to stir it in. She's gonna help me stir it in.
That's it. That smells good, Mama.
That smells good.
Give me That's a good idea of making this.
Smell it.
Mom, can I eat it?
We're gonna eat it. Don't worry. We gotta finish
Just a little
cooking.
bit of sausage.
No, we got the flour in here. You don't want to eat the sausage right now.
Yeah, I don't like flour when it doesn't have sausage.
Yeah, we don't want that.
But I like sausage every day. But all you're doing it just looks like you're just scraping it.
That is what it looks like.
Mom, can I make it?
Kind of coated a little bit, kind of ashy looking.
I'm kind of ashy looking in the.
All right, you did great.
Mom, I can't to make it up. Mom, I can't.
Yeah, so let me put some milk. So let's put the milk.
Okay, ashy
ladies
and lighter.
Wait, I said to her, it's hot. It's hot. All right, so
can I put milk in there?
We're gonna add
Can I help you make milk?
And then, okay, help me pour.
Ooh, I want to help.
Okay, I'm gonna do a cup of milk. There we go. Boom. Okay.
Can I pour it in
Wait
there?
a minute, ladies.
No, you can't do it.
Wait
Can
a
I pour
minute.
it in there? No,
Okay, let Zaya go first this time. Shush,
pour the
please.
milk.
Shush, please.
Yeah.
She's gonna go first this time, and then you. Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna pour the milk in there, and then we're going to.
Ooh, I want to make it with you because I put it.
Okay,
in
I have not added any salt and pepper, and then you guys maybe want to also wait to add the salt and pepper, just to see if it needs it. I probably will. I'm going to do it like this, and once it thickens, I'm going to taste it to see if I need it at all, and then add it after instead of prior, to making it all incorporate. So here we go. We're doing great. It's starting to thicken already, ladies and gentlemen.
But you cannot see my face. Mom, it is my turn.
She wants you to see her face. Now you can see her face. And her face too. Say cheese.
Mama.
Okay, now it's Amina's turn.
Mama, this
Amina, help me, please.
looks like oatmeal. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not. Come on, babe. Push it in
But
there.
you don't burn oatmeal like that.
Okay, now let's pause.
Ooh, can I do it together with her?
Wait, it's her turn. It's her turn. All right, Amina. No. That's aggressive. All right, Amina. You're doing great. Let's get that in there.
What's aggressive mean?
Like really, yeah. But she's getting in there. All right, she's beating this thing up, right, Meanie? No, don't do it.
Gosh!
Girl, we don't want that.
Do it.
No, girl. Amina, I'm not gonna let you help me anymore.
Oh. I gotta tell Dad that we're cooking stuff. He'll be very happy.
He's gonna be very happy.
You wanna go tell Dad that we're making something? Yeah. Come here.
Okay,
Go tell Dad.
Okay, so we're not done incorporating, okay?
So
I'm gonna wash this spoon, so I don't like how it has raw bits of that on there, so I'm gonna wash the spoon and we're gonna come right back. I'm gonna pause.
And he wipes
Okay,
his
I'm
cigarette
back.
all over
Clean
that.
spoon. I already started mixing again. Let me check my biscuits. Watch out. Excuse me. Watch out, Mimi. Biscuits are almost ready. 2 more minutes. Oh my gosh.
Can I
I'm
try
so hungry.
to do it?
You can try. Okay. Here, help me.
I need to hold that part.
Yep. Okay.
That's enough. Now my turn. No, Mom, I can use it by myself. Can I do it too, Mama?
Wait. No, you. Okay, let me help. The whole purpose is to help. Come on.
Oh my gosh, who's doing it faster, Mama? Is that you? Who's doing it that fast?
Okay, let me pick up the camera so they can see
Oh, it looks
how
so.
this is looking.
It looks so buffy and stuff.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. We just add the last
Can I
bit
do it together
of
with me like
milk,
that before you burn yourself?
and it should. Oh, okay, no, nope.
Oh my gosh,
It
no.
should start to thicken. No, because my kitchen's gonna get real dirty. Okay, so
Mommy,
you have to make sure it
Can I try to
thickens.
do this one more time?
No, please stop. Please stop. Please stop for now.
Oh, Mama, it's time.
Okay, the biscuits are ready, my friends. Just
see,
wanted to show you that. I'm gonna pause this video and we are going to come back again.
You
We
can
are
always
back.
smell it from miles
It
away.
is simmering. It is almost done.
It's almost done.
It is almost done.
You can't even put
I
your
did
face
taste
in.
some, and although it tastes good, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper for some razzle dazzle.
It's gonna be so
Little
yummy. Yum,
Extra
yum, yum.
added flavor. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, there's some on the
Okay, so let me take my biscuits out. I have them sit in there a little longer. Watch out, guys.
Oh.
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Sit in there, little.
Watch out, please. Watch out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Mama, that looked great.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, Mama, that looks
I'm gonna show you guys our biscuits.
I gotta go tell Dad. Wait, can I touch it?
No, it's hot, girl. Okay, here are our biscuits, fresh out the oven. We're gonna put them back
Oh my
here.
gosh.
Oh,
Wait, Mama, we can put syrup
this
on
is
it.
what
too.
you can put syrup on it if you want. Here, see, our gravy is thick, ladies and gentlemen. It is practically done. I'm gonna turn down the fire. We're gonna turn off the oven. Cancel that.
Oh, it's already
We're
hot.
almost done.
Mommy, didn't turn off that.
I just turned it down. I just need it down. Just to make sure that last bit of flour is incorporated. There we go. I'm going to add my little razzle dazzle. I'm going to use my Celtic salt.
What's a
Boom.
Razzle. I gotta tell Dad what beautiful thing you made.
You want to continue to stir. Okay, see, it's getting a little Celtic salt. Throw that in there real quick. We don't need a lot. And then we want to go ahead and put our pepper to give it that pow. Not a lot, right? Because my kids probably won't eat it if it's too much of that. And then let's finish incorporating. And then I'm going to have them taste it. Once it's all, I know you can't wait, girl. I know. And you see, I just did half a casing of sausage, and it did a decent amount. We can probably eat off of this at least twice if you don't drown the biscuits in gravy. Excuse me. Bless me. But the kids are probably gonna want bacon also, and probably some eggs. I'm not gonna show that part, but I will show you guys us tasting it. So let me get a little plastic spoon.
And here's our biscuits. And
here's the biscuits. That's gonna be drowned in gravy.
Here's the meatloaf.
It's not meatloaf, girl.
And so here's the sausage.
My goodness.
Here's the sausage and milk and flour all over. It kind of looks like a mess,
Okay.
but
It kinda looks
I
like
can't wait to eat
the kitchen
that.
does look like a mess. Look, stuff all over the kitchen. Ooh,
Yep,
stuff
it
all
looks like
over
a
my
mess.
kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna have my
That
baby
looks
taste
like
it
a
first.
mess.
Well, no, I'm gonna taste it first. Where's your spoon? Go
Oh,
get
I
your
don't
spoon.
have no spoon.
Get your spoon.
Where's my spoon? I don't have no spoon. Where's my spoon? Can I have a taste
go.
too? I don't even have a spoon.
Wait, I'm gonna add a little bit more salt.
Mom, can I taste some too?
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
Can I put some salt in too?
No more salt. We don't need any more salt after that. A little more pepper.
Hey,
Boom.
I was about to do pepper.
Get you a spoon so you can taste it.
I can't. I don't have a spoon. What?
Okay, so there's that. I am gonna put the
Mama, I don't have
the ingredients
a
in the
spoon.
description below in case you didn't follow it while I was talking you through it. I'm gonna pause the video here. I'm gonna prep a little biscuit and some gravy, and then you can watch us taste it. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Here is a little sample size. You just taste it because I still gotta make eggs and I still gotta do the bacon, right? So we are going to sample it on camera, and I should have sampled the biscuit separate because I normally don't use heavy whipping cream for the biscuit. Okay, we're sampling on camera. Okay, sorry, go ahead and dig in. Ooh, biscuit is soft. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I need some too.
Dig in, like get your spoon and get in there.
Oh yeah, right.
It's hot too. Don't remember that part. Okay, so got the little
The moment of truth.
the moment of truth. You should try it. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.